Twitter owner Elon Musk announced that users of the social media platform will be able to offer their followers subscriptions to content, including long-form text and hours-long video. It's Twitter's new feature, subscription. Want to know how to monetize Twitter using Twitter Subscribe? Then keep on watching. And before we start, please hit that like and share this video so we could reach more people. And let's get started. First, let's answer some of the questions going through your mind. What are subscriptions? Subscriptions are a way for people's most engaged followers to help them earn money from Twitter for their contributions on the platform. When someone has a subscription offering, their followers can sign up to access bonus tweets created especially for them. Subscribers receive badges on their replies to the person they've subscribed to, letting them stand out in the conversation. Next, who can buy subscriptions? Anyone who lives in a region where subscriptions are available can purchase a subscription from Twitter. Here's the list of regions where it's currently available, with a global expansion reportedly coming soon. Next, how do I find people who have a subscription offering? Find them by looking for the subscribe button on their profile, or check out the @subscriptions handle to see who they follow. Now, what the subscriptions include? People who have a subscription offering choose what bonus content they share. Subscriptions benefits include exclusive tweets. In addition to the regular tweets a creator posts, you'll also see tweets in your home timeline, posted exclusively for subscribers to interact with and reply to. Notification of exclusive tweets, iOS and Android only. Subscribers on Twitter for iOS and Android also have the option to set up exclusive tweet notifications, so they get notified when new subscription tweets are posted. Subscribers only spaces participate in live subscribers only conversations hosted by the person you subscribe to. You'll join these subscriber-only spaces as a listener who can request to speak in the space. A subscriber badge. When you reply to a subscriptions tweet, a public badge next to your display name in the reply will identify you as a subscriber. Anyone can see this badge. But if you're on Twitter for iOS or Android, you can choose to hide the badge from your replies to a creator's public tweets by turning the setting off. Even when this setting is turned off, your subscriber badge will still appear to other subscribers when you reply to subscribers-only tweets. The creator will always be able to see their subscribers. This setting is on by default. And lastly, Subscription Tweets tab. Navigate the profile of the person you subscribe to and select their Subscription Tweets tab. This tab lets you see all of someone's subscription tweets in one place, and you'll have access to it for as long as you're subscribed. Next, how much do subscriptions cost? A creator sets the monthly price of their subscription offering by choosing from one of the price points made available by Twitter. Now, how can you monetize your Twitter using Twitter Subscribe? In simplest terms, add another means of earning money from your account on Twitter. Try out this new feature. Set up a subscription for your followers and create a valuable and exciting content for them to be interested in subscribing, giving you the opportunity to earn more money on Twitter. Take advantage of this new Twitter feature. Users offering the subscription will get all the money subscribers pay. Apart from the charges of the platform, Twitter will not take a cut for the first 12 months. That's 70% for subscriptions on iOS and Android, and 92% on web, Musk said in a tweet. Adding Twitter will also help promote the creator's work and maximize earnings. So, go ahead and try it out. And there you have it, how to monetize Twitter using Twitter Subscribe. I hope you find this video helpful, and if it did, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
let me show you the world's fastest and 100% mobile responsive builder, where you can create landing pages, funnels, lead pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. And that is CloudFunnels by Technic Force. Create an amazing funnels and landing pages. Build your dream site with CloudFunnels. You can create beautiful web pages. Click and modify, no coding required. Create funnels with upsells, downsells, and order bumps. Grab leads and send emails. And it supports all major payment gateways. And it has memberships. So try CloudFunnels now. Just go to yournextfunnel.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.